Okay, so today I'm gonna open up these brush pens that was inside Happy Ever Crafters goodie box. Okay, so today I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside it. Yay! I'm so happy whenever I get brush pens. Okay, so these are brush pens. I've never tried these before. They look like they are like the small nib brush pens. Okay, so use these traceables to try out each color. Great. Okay, so let's start with pink. So this is zebra. Okay, let's take a look at the nib. Ah, very nice. It looks like, you know, Tombow kind of pen. So let's take a look at Tombow's. There you have it. Yeah. Oh my god, I am so excited to try it out. Okay, so let's try out pink. Yeah. Let's try out how it feels like. Super excited. Oh wow. It's pink. Blue. Let's try blue. Oh, what's this? Oh wow, this is super awesome. Okay, so let's try blue. Oh no! I think the ink kind of bleed there. It's tissue. Yeah. Okay, let's clean it up. Shouldn't be a problem. Ah, it's alright. Okay. Right, how about orange? Let's try orange. Great. Yeah, so it's really, really hard. Orange. Purple. And black. It's black. Ooh. Oh, this is softer. Oh, wow. So the nib for these and these, they look the same, but this is harder. The nib is harder for this one. This is softer. So I think it's the softer nib. All right. So nice. All right. Yay. Okay. Okay. So another thing I like to test is let's test this out. All right, so the downstroke, that's how it's thick, how thick it is. Oh, this is also, this is also black. So this is also black, but this is the harder tip. The dark blue is actually black. And this one, this I think is the softer tip. Yeah, can you see? This is slightly thicker. All right, so this I think would be comparable to it's comparable to the Pentel. Oh, yeah, the softness is like Pentel. Okay, it's very nice to use. So let's just try it out. Hello. It's my go-to word whenever I get a new pen. Okay, not bad. It's quite smooth. I think the ink, there's a lot of ink also. Very inky, which is really, really nice to use. Okay, second favorite word would be thank you. Oh, this is like really soft. I mean, really hard. Hard as in not difficult, but yeah, the nib is hard, which makes it really good to use. Yeah. Right, so let's try something out. Let's check if it's a waterproof water-based. Okay, so I have this. Yeah, it's water-based too. Oh, look at that. Okay, so yeah, it's water-based as well. How about this one? This is not water-based, because if it's water-based it will smudge. Okay, let's just try. Only the colored are water-based. This is not water-based. Is this? The black is not water-based? Nope. Oh yeah, slightly. Okay. How about this one? Nope, it's not water-based at all. Yep. So yeah, hooray! More pens to play around with. Yay! Gonna put them inside. Yep. Okay. Look at this, and let's see what else we have here. Yeah, what is this? Another group of brush pens. Ooh. Yes. Oh, these are right. It's what's this called? Ooh, so nice. The colors is gray, green. Oh yeah. And then what color is this? All right. And this one. Woohoo! Yay. Right. I think I like to put it back here so that it's not mixed up. Oops. So in you go, together. Wait. Let's look at this too. What else do we have in here? What's this? Look at it. Whee! Right. Oh my god, this is so cool. Happy Evercraft ruler. Yeah. This is my favorite. Jelly roll and micron, Pigma micron to do like full calligraphy stuffs. And I thought there's some more. Okay, yeah, there's more. 5 and 8. Yeah, so this 5 and 8. Okay. Yeah, I have the whole set, but you know, stationery lovers always love to have more than one. Right. Okay, so this cool thing here, this is like a template kind of thing, and we also receive the book. Yay, look at that. Okay, so it's like dotted. Oh, this is brilliant. I love this, okay, because there's like dotted, it's all dotted, and these are her drawings, and she loves to draw. And then there's another kind of paper, another colored paper. Love it. Blank, you know. And then there's also, look at that, gorgeous. Yay, there's also black paper. Ooh, I need to be more relaxed. Okay, and yeah, yay, look at that. This is, you know, just to try out the letters, the regular, the bouncy. All right, love it. Okay, so what I want to try would be, okay, I don't want to use this yet, so precious. So what I want to try would be, oops, this. Yeah, let's take a look at this. Put it like that. Yeah. Happy ever. Ooh, I like this. What is this all about? Ooh, what's this? Alright, so this is like how to do it. Wow, look at that. Ooh, nice. Let's try this. Try the 8. Oof. H E. Yeah, so I've seen how Becca teaches block letters, and it's super cool. She does it freehand, and yeah, she shares this one of her YouTube video. Hello. Ta-da. Great. Okay, so how does this work? Let's try. Oh, this is so cool, this template thing. Ooh, H, and then E. Where's the E? Okay, so oh, that's how it works. HE. This is brilliant. Where's L? Here. Okay, let's have a little bit of that. L. Oops. Nice. Noise. L. Oops. Yeah, it's slightly slanted. Oh, yeah. How do you do the O? I forgot how to do the O. Oops. Oh. Alright, slightly cha-cha there, but it's okay. I love this. What is this for? Ah, let's try this. Banners. Oh my god, that was too fast. Oh wow, there's like small one. And then I can, you know, let's use this. December. Woohoo. 2020. Today's date would be, what's today's date? 16, is it? No. 4th. Cool. How about this one? The big one. Yep. Wow, so nice. This one, do I combine it? I don't know. Am I gonna spoil it? Yes, I did spoil it. Ah, it's just supposed to be straight. Okay, what do I write over here? And I can have something like this. Collect moments, not things. Wow, I love it. Yay. Right. Oh, okay, so all this would be for, yep. Mhm. Let's try 5. Does it fit? Yep. Very nice. Hmm. Try this out. Try this out. Or is it check this out? Nice.